Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to unbox some beautiful Nike shoes. But first off, a toast to you guys. And this is only coffee, by the way. Okay, so we got the blue box today. It's the Giannis Immortality 2, and that's why the box is blue. Kind of cool actually, something different. Antecomnupto, try to pronounce that 10 times. The Giannis. Okay, let's get it out and have a look here. Wow, wow, look at, oh, and the smell guys, wow, this got that perfect factory smell. It really smells amazing. Smell your new shoe, you won't get disappointed. So there we go, in the box view. So we need to get these bad boys out and have a closer look. And they are really looking amazing. Let's get that off to the side. Schmack. Try to not tear down the whole studio here. Okay. The Immortality 2s. And of course this is not the first pair I've gotten, but these are super special. The design here is on another level. The color combination, as you see, is really beautiful. So I just had to have this, and I will use these for the gym. These are spectacular. For the gym, it's so good to run in. It's really good for everything in the gym. They are stiff, they are good, so you can even squat and stuff in them, no problem, because they are stiff and fine. And that's what you want if you're squatting and stuff. You need really hard bottom. The worst thing you can squat with is actually cushions and stuff. You know, the Air Max is not good for that. That's just too it's just too comfortable. You need the hard bottom for the gym. And the grip here is awesome. It's really good grip on the bottom, so it's super nice to run with. It gives you that snap. Of course it's good to play basketball in. I guess that's what they are designed for. So for me it's a gym shoe, but honestly guys, these are some everyday shoes too, because they are really cool. The looks is just there, you know. You can use this as an everyday shoe, no problem, because you will look extremely cool. So this works for everything. This is a good overall shoe if you ask me. You can use them in the gym for a while, and then you can take them out and wear them to whatever occasions you are going to. They will work for everything. We got the beautiful light blue Nike logo up front here on the side. It's really big and beautiful. It really goes well with the gray. I love it. It's so aggressive and cool looking on the side here with the pointy stuff. It's really nice. It's just like teeth in a way. So maybe if we do this, it's like a mouth. Yeah, that's just okay. Let's go further. So on the inside we got the beautiful Nike logo again. It's always beautiful to show what kind of shoe you're wearing. If you're a Nike fanatic like me, of course you want to show off your Nike logos and how beautiful they're looking and which kind of shoe you are wearing. I don't know if this is kind of gray greenish in a way. Back here is really all gray and beautiful, but this is more like greenish gray, I guess, and this is kind of bluish. And I really love the color combination there, it's beautiful. Even got some white on the inside here, as you see. They are gray up top here with laces. That's also kind of cool. You got the Immortality logos up front here in white. Really beautiful. I just love the style of the shoe. Is really aggressive and cool. The back is going out like a wing. It's really nice. So it's wide and cool. On the back side, on the bottom side is really a lot of coloring and stuff. It's kind of cool. It's really cool with the design there. Of course, the grip is the big thing here. It's a super grip. This is a super nice shoe to play basketball inside with. You will have the greatest grip. It's really... Oh, almost spilled my coffee here. Toast again, guys. Yeah, but it's really stiff and fine, so you will get that snap when you are dunking and stuff on your basketball court. Also when you're running and want to be fast, you get that snap and you will run like the wind. I gotta say the quality, of course, because they are made for basketball and stuff, the quality is extremely good on these shoes. The price is mid-range, so it's not too expensive, not too cheap either. It's okay. You get a lot of shoe for your money. This will be durable, and you can wash them in the washing machine. But be careful. If you want to wash them in the machine, do it on the hand wash program. I always do that, and it turned out fine. They will become like new ones, so it's a tip. We need to try this on the foot. I almost forgot to say that it's white on the sole on the inside there. It's no logo, nothing, it's just white. And that's the same for the other shoe. So yeah, I love them. I love the design. It's a great shoe to use in the gym. It's a great shoe for everything. You can use it as an everyday shoe, so I love them. Of course, it's easy to get on. You get that handle on the back side. As I said, we need to try them on, so let's try them on the feet.